It's crazy what you do when you become a farmer. I'm saving my coffee grounds. You think about the plants. Look at this bullshit. Then you save everything. You save the food scraps. Then you start thinking about like composting, chicken food, all kinds of stuff. Then you start thinking about everything. And then your son starts saving shit. Look, he's shredding boxes of cardboard and bags. We got shit everywhere. Now we're fucking worm farmers. Look what he's doing. This kid, you can't even see any. Chicken food. Chickens. Let me see. Bob Bay been doing this. Well, there's someplace. I gotta go easy. They're little babies. I don't want to get my hands all dirty. I have to show you a friggin' worm, though, for Christ's sakes. Use the Lord's name in vain. I shouldn't do that. What am I doing here? I'm gonna wiggle down with my fingers like that? Oh, what am I getting here? Holy shit, what the fuck am I doing? You! Holy shit. Oh. That's moist. Alright, there. There. You saw it. Now I'm done. I'm gonna put it back like... Look. Leave no trace. Back to the Boy Scouts. Boom. 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 It's over, Johnny.